see anything.
There's a guy behind the tree at 346. Up on the hill.
We've probably got more cover at the back, Joe.
There's two freaking teams working together up there.
Whereabouts?
They're at the house at 345.
Fuck off! I've got 6 minutes for kicks. I'm gonna give one out.
Can I get out of the way, please? Funk?
Sorry, mate.
Thanks, man.
How am I getting hit?
From the tree at fucking northwest. At the other side of the fucking gas cloud.
They're moving east. They're moving east. They're coming down on us. Here we go. Gotta go.
There's a guy at our 12 o'clock, Funk.
Off! Yep. I'll try and get to you guys.
We won!
Oh my god.
Thanks, guys. That's all me.
That was pretty much all you.
No.